promise? Did we deliver? I told you they're gonna rock the house. My gosh. Monica?
Kulang tayo sa energy.
Naku.
Kinulang tayo sa energy. Oh my
Monica,
God.
you look like you've been exercising.
I burned 20,000 calories just for dancing.
All these wonderful guests at the Fiesta.
Ay, mag-selfie tayong lahat.
Galing naman.
Let's do selfie with the group. Come on.
You guys get out.
Yeah.
Everybody get down on the floor because
Down on the floor.
they're taking care of their instruments. Everybody get on the floor.
Selfie.
Everybody, come on up, everybody. Let's do a quick selfie. Come on. After day one. Come on, SOM. Come on, SOM. Oh yeah. All right, Monica. Where's Boyette? Hold on, we got another one. Woo! Here we go, Boyette. Come on, SOM. Yes, Monica. Yes, come on. Share. Wow, naman, galing. Thank you. All right.
Hi, video, sandali. Sabihin natin, Happy Fiesta in America. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy Fiesta in America. Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow at 10 o'clock right here, we will have a mass. If you want to attend the mass at 10 o'clock, followed by the Santa Cruzan at 11. So tomorrow morning, come back. Let's give our praise and our thanks to the Almighty.
Yes.
And then we'll have a wonderful, beautiful
We have Santa Cruzan, and then all the performers, plus the highlight of
Vina
tomorrow.
Morales. Thank you so much, and we'll see everybody tomorrow.
Yes, mabuhay kayong lahat.
Thank you, Monica.
This